In the early 20th century, a 21-year-old man had his first taste of drink at an officers training camp in New Bedford, Massachusetts. He didn't really know it at the time, but that single action of his would quietly take hold of his life. A few moments from that time, he was shipped off to Europe to go and fight in World War One. And while in France, he attended a dinner party hosted by a wealthy French family. And there he tasted alcohol in a different setting, refined and almost glamorous, something later described as an elixir of life. At that point, alcohol became an escape and a need for him, a need that would turn to dependence by the mid-1934. At this point, he was consuming 3 bottles of booze every single day. His mind had completely collapsed. The money he had made at being a stockbroker had disappeared, and the life he had quietly built was quietly collapsing right before his eyes. By the fall of 1939, the now 39-year-old Bill Wilson checked himself into Charles B. Towns Hospital in New York for alcohol and drug addiction. This is where I'm going. Stay with me. You see, according to Charles Duhigg, habit is a 3-step loop: your cue, your routine, and your reward. And when you repeat this loop consistently over time, it becomes automatic and forms a habit. Take for example, anytime you feel stressed, bored, or mentally tired at work or while studying, you pick up your phone and you scroll through social media. Your cue there is the boredom. Your routine is scrolling through social media, and then the reward, a burst of entertainment, mental escape, mental relief. And when you do this consistently over time, it becomes a habit. However, to effectively replace a bad habit, take for example the obsession with your phone, you have to address the middle part of the 3-step loop, which is your routine. It's something called the routine replacement theory. How this works is, anytime you feel bored, stressed, or tired, instead of going through your phone like you would normally do, why not go for a 5-minute walk around your house, around your office? You get a reward by feeling relaxed and less stressed. This is just one of many examples. This principle can also be applied to any habit you would like to change. However, habit replacement isn't as cut and dry as it sounds, because for more compulsive, addictive behavior like alcohol consumption, it takes another special ingredient, which Duhigg explained as the power of belief. Believe in God, believe in a superpower, believe in a purpose, believe in a mission, believe in a cause, whatever sort of belief. And this combined with the next ingredient, the power of a community, support group, friends, people you can call upon, people that understand what you're going through. The story was told of a man who nearly lost his family due to drunk driving. He had had a problem with alcohol consumption for many years. But an incident came where he nearly lost his last son. Therefore, he decided to apply for help. And because he had a belief in God, he said there are days he will wake up feeling on top of the world, above his addiction, and there are other days he feels like reverting to those old habits. In those days, he prays to God because of his belief in God, and then calls a friend, the power of a community, to help him through those difficult moments. Yours may not be as dramatic as that, but whatever it may be in your case, want to change your eating habit, want to address your obsession to phone, addiction to social media, apply the routine replacement technique, coupled with belief and the power of community, and let me know what the outcome is in the comment section. Thanks for listening. See you next time.